We gonna figure out something with this song, this beat, y'all. We gonna figure out something with this beat. It's a slow beat. I might try to do a singing or something on me. You never know. Let's see what we're gonna do with it, with this beat. Let's go. Everybody, yes, I said what's up today. Oh yes, I'm over here. Oh yes, I want to say your name by saying with my chest. Oh yes, I'm talking about, oh yes, you do the best. I'm saying I love and songs of witness, song for girls. Oh no, not the girl, they want to rule the world. So now I'm over here, I said that woman now. Oh yes, we over here, we singing here right now, saying girl. So yes, I'm trying to go give you everything. Oh yes, I'm trying to give you everything, fulfill your dream. They said your dream to travel around the world or with your girls. I'm over here today, so yes, you could go with your girls. I want to see you happy, yes, I don't want you to see. I don't want you to see the things that make us set on thee. Oh, when I'm over here today, then when I'm grinding out, I said the love for you, that's why I shouted out, said, hey, I want to show some love to the girl. I said I try to give the girl the world. I'm trying to give her every single thing. I'm trying to go fulfill her dream. I seen the girl actually grinding every day. I need her to be happy every day. I said you want to go on a cruise. Some want to go on a plane with you, said that, hey. I said the girl, she said that she like the bling. That mean I'm over here today, gonna give you bling. They said you like that ring, you said you like the flowers too. So now you know I put that mind on what I do for you. Some people like the bubble baby and they smell so good. Oh yes, you know I'm not the misunderstood. I want to see you happy, now I see you smiling too. That's why I'm over here, oh yes, I'm singing this for you, say girl. I said I try to give you things. I try to give you things because I want you to be happy. Oh yes, you happy with the thing without all that stress. Oh yes, I'm over here. I put this up on that test. So girl, oh yes, I'm over here. I want you happy. I'm over here today. Oh yes, I want you happy. Let's go, y'all. Let's go.